Removing kumquats. Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
Okay, so I've picked up 13 pounds of kumquats, and what's happening is they're all ripening practically all at one time. And though I love kumquats, I just cannot eat them that fast. This is what kumquats look like when they're moldy, and the reason I'm saving these is I'm going to put them in the drain, and it's going to actually help it. So I don't throw these away in the trash can. These are the ones that I've picked that have bad spots in them, and I'll be cutting off the bad spots, and sometimes you just have no choice, you got to throw them all away. But right here, seeds and all, I'm going to put in the blender, and what I'm using this for is for future dishes. And now, of course, it is much easier if you have yourself like a Vitamix, a professional blender. I don't have that. I have a Ninja 1100 and it's a professional. If you remove the cover, you see all these blades here. I'm hoping that this will help cut up the kumquats, make it easier for me. Alright, so we're going to get started. These have all been washed, and what I've done is I've checked them 3 or 4 times to make sure they're in good shape, that there's no rotted areas, that the marks are okay, if there's any bruises on them. What's really important when you're doing something like this is that you make sure you don't put any rotted fruit with your good fruit. It's going to go right into the freezer, in the freezer bags. And then you pulse it, turn on the power and pulse it. You can see that just a couple pulses and it's come down quite a bit. Now if you don't like the seed, you'd have to individually go through all of these and pull the seeds out. So let me show you. See, that's what you want. Now we're going to spoon these into the freezer bags and we'll see how many we get.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.